guys, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. So here I am back with another spread in my mini happy planner dashboard layout, and I'm going to show you guys how I set up my planner and how I fill it out during the week. All right, let's get started. So the first thing I'm going to do here is actually fill in the dates. Now I'm checking what date is it actually. Normally I have date covers, but I don't have enough date covers or my date covers don't actually fit in here. So I will make what I have work by writing them in. And then the next thing I'm going to do is actually set up this portion for my workouts. And actually what I'll do differently this week is I'll write in my workouts as I go. So check them off as I need to. Then up here is going to be my dinners and then my lunches for next week. This is for anything that I do need to buy, and then any important tasks that need to go in here. Now I'm going to go in and fill in my schedule and my tasks for the week. So I'm going to zoom you guys in. And so I'm just going to go in this section and write in my shifts. And this week I don't really have any days off. But I do have Thursday afternoon off and no, I don't have Friday afternoon off. I have Friday evening off. But I am training a new Weight Watchers coach, so that is taking up a bit of extra time this week. And then Saturday and Sunday, I am working for both the Weight Watchers, and then I have to be the photographer at my church for the first communion that they're doing. So I have to do that on Saturday and Sunday. So it's going to be a busy week. So that is my work shifts there. Then on Monday, the usual bathrooms, and I will probably have to do laundry as well. Family of 4, 2 kids, always laundry. Then the 19th is Robin's zoo field trip. And Rob has volunteered to go, which I always think is so adorable. Then cabinets and appliances. I don't even think you can see that. Yeah. Dusting. Meal plan and order. And I always order the groceries because I feel like I save money that way because I know exactly what I'm spending beforehand. And then mopping the floors. And then this is a garbage day, and I can hear Henry coming down the stairs. And lights and workshop prep. Then Thursday, 11 o'clock, pick up groceries. And then I will do some filming here, but I'm going to leave that blank for now. And then here, 10:45, WW workshop. And since I work in the afternoon, I really won't have much time for much else that day. Then kids have gymnastics. And then I have the first communion at church. So I'm going to get there for about 3:30, and I'll probably be there until about 6:30. And then in the evening, I do have some plans, but they haven't been finalized as of yet, so I don't want to write anything in there, but I will keep that open for now. Then Sunday is the first communion again, so the mass is at 11:30. I'll probably get there around 10:30, so I'll maybe put 10 o'clock until maybe 1 o'clock. And it's a Corpus Christi first communion. It's because I don't normally do the photos for my church, but my dad is the official photographer for my church, but since he's off gallivanting in Europe, I get the lovely job this weekend. Then it's the usual vacuuming and windows. The only good thing with this though is that I'll be done by 1 o'clock, and then I'll have the rest of the afternoon to hang out with my family, which will be nice. All right, but that is my week. I'm gonna zoom out here. So far, I am loving the way that this kit looks from Green Darner Designs. Really pretty. It's not too springy or fall-like. It's just kind of neutral in between, and I like the purples in it. All right, so I'll see you guys tomorrow. Hey guys, so it is now Monday, just checking off what I've done. I did do the bathrooms today and I folded laundry. I want to know how to better outline that. I'm looking for my mild liners right now. There we go. I think the purple would look really nice if I outlined it like that. Let's have a look. Yes. Yes. It's a little not as mauvey or blue as the rest of them, but then I also did empty dishwasher. Do you ever do that where you put something on your list just to be able to check it off? I felt very accomplished today with all the stuff that I had done. All right, so that is, oh no, that is not it for today. Today, Monday, what workout did I do? Okay, so I did a 40-minute full body HIIT plus the 30 minutes of cardio. Wow, that's not enough room at all. So check that off. All right, that is it for today. And you guys notice I did place a post-it here just to be able to add that, because sometimes I have post-its for things that I'm not sure if they're happening yet. This one is happening, but there is no specific time for it yet, so I won't take that out just yet. All right, that is it for today. See you tomorrow. Hey guys, so it's Wednesday, just checking off some more things I did today. My daughter and husband went to the Valley Zoo today. It was so cute that he got to take the day off and spend it with her. I did the cabinets and appliances, I dusted, and I did do the meal planning, and I ordered the groceries. And my husband will mop the floors this evening. And then today for my workout, I did 30 min legs and abs, plus 30 minutes of, actually it was 45 minutes of cardio to check that off. Now I'm going to zoom in to this portion here and show you my meal planning for next week. So the first thing I'm doing is actually writing in a shopping list. I apologize for the shakiness of the camera here, but these are things that aren't necessarily part of the meal planning. Friday, I'm going out, well, actually even before that, I highlight where I'm going to write down the words for the days of the week, and then right over top. I like that effect. Friday, I was going out to the movies with my friend. Saturday was pizza night. Sunday, it was chicken fingers and fries for the kids. And then Monday is a new recipe I'm going to try. It's this potato cheese soup, which I'm really, really excited to try. Tuesday, we're having Turkish pita pizzas. And you guys, I've done a recipe plan with me on this before. It's such a fantastic recipe. And then Wednesdays and Thursdays are going to be leftovers. So Wednesday will be the soup, and then Thursday will be the leftover pita pizza. And lunch, I decided to keep it simple with chicken thighs, kale, and butternut squash. So that's the meal planning all done for this week. I will see you guys later on. Hey guys, so it is now Friday. I know I skipped the last couple of days, but sometimes it just gets away with me. So Wednesday, where's my highlighter here? Wednesday, I did do the garbages, the lights were done, and I did the workshop prep, and my husband did mop the floors on Tuesday night. I also wanted to write down that I totally organized Henry's toys. And this is a project that I've been like putting off for months. So glad to check that off. I literally sat in his room watching Netflix while I was organizing, and I was just surrounded by toys. It was insane. And then Thursday, I picked up the groceries. And then I did end up, I went to, where did I go? I'm like, what did I do? I went to Staples and Walmart. And then after work, I went to Brown's for drinks. So, good day overall. And then today, Friday, was my WW workshop, and I am supposed to go to the movies with Sophie tonight, but the movie that we wanted to see is no longer at the theater that we want to go to. Sucks. But we may still go out for dinner. And then, in terms of my workouts, Wednesday, I did a 30-minute full body workout, and then 30 minutes cardio. I'm not liking writing in here, because look at how messy that is. Thursday, I did, how many minutes of cardio did I do? I think that was quite a great deal. I think it was almost an hour. And then today was 45 minutes. So this box worked out okay this week, but I don't think I'm going to stick to putting a box down there like this. I liked my grid system, and my grid system worked well for me. So Thursday's workout, yeah, I did 45 minutes cardio as well. I was so lazy this morning, I could barely get up to do any workout. So the fact that I even did something today was amazing. All right, but that is it for today. I will see you guys on the weekend. Hey guys, so it is now Sunday. Just filling in things that I've done over the last few days. So on Friday, I ended up going to dinner with Sophie. So it's 6 o'clock, Firecrest. It's a new pizza place near mine, and it was actually really good. And then here it was, Saturday. The first communion actually went really well. I was really nervous about having to take pictures for it because my dad's normally the photographer, but it went really well. And then afterwards, it was a girls' night in with Kim and Alyssa. And then today I had the other first communion to do. The kids and Rob did the vacuuming in the window, so I'm going to highlight that. And then what we did today, we went to Bountiful Market and we decorated the tree. So really, actually an overall good weekend. I was busy at work, but I'm pretty much glad that the week is over. All right, but that is it for me. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching and have a great day.